Acha nichukue fursa hii washukuru waheshimiwa wabunge ya NYAMIRA kwa kazi ambao wamefanya. Wenyewe mmefanya kazi, umejaribu. Tulikuwa tunataka tumtume gavana wa jimbo hili nyumbani, tumtume kupitia kwa kumtuma kwa Senate, lakini leo hii tumepata kura 22 naye akapata kura 12, tukakosa kura moja, na hii kura moja tulikuwa nayo, ila tu aliinunua kwa milioni 4 hapa kwa choo tu. Watu tunaomba sisi, we can't lose hope. We can't lose hope, and that's what I'm telling my colleagues. Let us stand to be counted. Let us stand for integrity. Let us stand for the people of NYAMIRA, because actually implementation of projects is a very low percentage. Then today, since money changed hands, we have decided and we have made a decision. This afternoon we voted and we chose a new leader of majority, and that is Honorable George Abuga from Ogichora. He got 14 votes out of 22. So George, we wish you the best, and we welcome you to serve the people. Don't serve any Nikombom, any master elsewhere. Serve the people and serve the county assembly that has elected you. Thank you. Hii ingine ndogo ndogo ya vitisho. Sisi tulipoingia katika hii bunge ya NYAMIRA tulihapa ya kwamba tutafanya kazi bila upendeleo, bila uoga, na tutaitetea katiba, na ndio hii tunaendelea kuitumikia. Kwa wale mnaona kama tunaonea yeyote, sisi hatuko. Na yule ambaye anaona sisi tunampiga vita, sisi hatuna vita na wewe. Fanyia watu wale ambao walikuchagua kazi. Barabara katika ward ya Ikerenyo zinahitajika. Mahospitali dawa inahitajika. Unifanyii mimi kazi gavana, si mimi anafanyia katika ward yangu, anafanyia wale wananchi. Kazi yangu nilitumwa hapa kumumulika, na hiyo sasa ndio ninafanya, na nimemumulika leo. Kama amenishinda leo, hajashinda, ni ila amenunua tu. Tunangoja miezi 3 sasa. Kama hawezi badilika tena, miezi 3 tunakuja. Na kuanzia next week, CECs who refused to honor the summons of the county assembly, we are coming back to you, and you will see the fire and you will face the music. Thank you.
Kwa majina mimi naitwa George Abuga, MCA of Ogichora Ward, representing the good ward of Ogichora and my people. Current chairman, budget and appropriation, and now my colleague members have bestowed upon me the leader of majority of the county assembly. I want to take this opportunity very fast to, first of all, thank all leaders of the assembly, or the MCAs, for exercising their oversight role, which you are at the peak today. The new leadership that we are starting the second phase of this term, as you are aware, we are about 3 years to go. We are going to focus more on development of our county. The overriding reason why members wanted to impeach the governor is not personal. It's lack of development, or slow of development in our county. It's unfair for a county like this, the second smallest county in the Republic, to be ranked position 47 out of 47. it is quite unacceptable. And that's the main reason why this motion was today. And I think we are saying we are still not yet settled on this.
We shall revisit.
We shall revisit very soon. Below the governor, there are several appointed staff officers of this county who are taking a lot of money in salaries and allowances on a monthly basis. But they are doing nothing to our people. Starting in the next session, this county assembly will prove beyond reasonable doubt that they meant what they were saying today. I want to be very pleased, thank my members for having faith on me, and I promise to deliver through teamwork. Asanteni sana.